How to optimize budgeting on Mint.com. In this video, I will show you how to manage your money smarter. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to the Mint website or app and sign into your account. Step 2. Link your bank accounts, credit cards, and bills so Mint can automatically track your spending. Step 3. Check how Mint categorizes your expenses, like your food, rent, and entertainment, and then adjust the categories if some things look off for you. Step 4. Click the budgets, and then assign the limits to each category. Example, $300 for your groceries and $100 for dining out. Step 5. Turn on the notifications so that Mint alerts you if you overspend. And you can also set your saving goals, like building an emergency fund. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.